coffee in this hand that's also holding the camera, and I've got my donut in this hand. So going to the bonfire and the fireworks. We've just stopped off at our favourite. I got a coffee and my donut, but they didn't have the sticky toffee donut I wanted, so I had to concoct a sticky toffee pudding onto the cinnamon donut to kind of make one.
And we walked here.
And we walked here because it was horrific traffic. We started driving and was like, we're never going to get... Oh, I think our gal's back.
Cool Brand Classic.
The woman from last year's back, I think.
I'll be there in a minute. Cue the next clip.
But I can't stop the camera actually because of my hand, so...
I'm dead.
Tasha's going to have to...
Okay, so this is me before Clubland Classics. This is me after.
Look, favourite arch, but this time there's a big fire. Got all the vendors and then the fire. The fire is burning.
The fire starts to burn.
Right, and it starts to flame. Tasha's made it.
Don't you know that it don't mean a thing at all? At all. You're a superstar. Right, then you see, my baby, you succeed. And your eyes won't make you see. You're a superstar. Just young.
It's dark, right?
Reach for the sky. You'll do anything I tell you, won't you?
Absolutely not. That's the hat says. Susan, it's for you.
And the lights are low. Where the park is the place to go.
I'm having wicked dreams
Of living Tennessee.
of Santa Monica.
Be giant. Wow. Tonight is the biggest full moon of the year. It's called the Badger Moon. Look how big it is. But it's that big, it's actually quite light outside. It doesn't feel like it's night time. And yes, we are walking because we're walking back to the car because we're parked miles away because of the traffic.
Which is fun, we've got our steps.
Yes, plenty of steps. Intrusive thought, but as we said, steps. Try again. Here we go again. Interesting thought, but it's not even. Oh, let me go again. Take 3. I was about to say intrusive thought. As I said steps, then my brain just wanted to go tragedy, but instead it broke. Right, we've just got back and the children are waiting for us. Oh, he just got up. He was just on the couch sleeping. He was just there sleeping, and the beanie's here sleeping. Yeah. Oh, she's not bothered by no fireworks, are you? We've not shown you yet, but these are new blinds that came. So they fit into the door perfectly. Look at that. Very happy with these. And then if you do this, open it like that, you can actually, there's this bit at the bottom. And you can lift it up. Hello, peoples.